In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pills in a Gamma presentation step by step so you can quickly make your slides look cleaner, more modern, and more organized. If you work in Gamma and want to improve the structure of your presentation with a simple visual element, this is a really useful feature to know. It only takes a few clicks, and once you understand where the option is, you can use it anytime in your workflow. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside, choose the presentation you want to edit. This is important because the pill layout needs to be added directly inside the specific presentation you're working on. After you open it, find the exact place where you want the pill to appear. You can click anywhere in the content area and place your cursor where you want that new layout element to go. Now that the cursor is in position, move over to the left panel. Gamma gives you several layout and formatting options there, so hover over that panel carefully until you see the Smart Layout option. Smart Layout is where Gamma keeps some of its more structured design elements, including the pill style you're looking for. Once you find it, click on Smart Layout to open the available layout choices. After that, scroll down until you reach the Sequence tab. The Sequence section is where Gamma organizes content in a step-by-step or flow-based style, and this is where the pill layout is located. When you see pills, click on it to insert that design into your presentation. Gamma will place the pill structure into the spot you selected, which makes it easy to create a neat visual sequence. Once the pill appears, you can customize it. Double-click the entire pill so you can edit it and change the layout to your desired style. This is where you can adjust how the pill looks and make it fit the rest of your presentation design. Depending on what you need, you can refine the formatting so it matches your message and keeps the slide visually consistent. If you want, you can repeat this process in other areas of the presentation too. Just place your cursor, open Smart Layout, go to the Sequence tab, and choose Pills again. It's a fast way to add structure without spending extra time building everything manually from scratch, and that's how to add pills in a Gamma presentation. It's simple, efficient, and a great way to make your content look more polished in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Gamma guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.